Ji Assalamualaikum dear students, in this video we are going to learn how to change or remove this white interference in AutoCAD. Okay, it doesn't matter which variant are you using, the process is quite similar. So what you have to do is to simply type OP enter. Okay, simply type OP enter. OP is the shortcut key for options. After typing OP, this dialog box will open. Okay, so simply go to the display tab. As you see, in the second we have display tab. In display we have the option that is color and font, so we have simply click on colors. Okay, and on the right side you will see an option that is color palette. Okay, so there are multiple colors here. Now simply change any color you want according to your requirement. Okay, so I am just changing from white to black, so I will select black here. Okay, now simply click on apply and close, then you have to click apply and OK. So this is how you will change the AutoCAD interference from white to black or any other color according to your requirements. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thanks a lot, thanks a million, thanks a bunch.